Fan blames Sarkodie for making everyone cough. For One Play News, my name is Tilly Ekienipam. Africa's most decorated rapper Sarkodie, known as Michael Owusu-Addo, had the shock of his life when a fan on Twitter blamed him for making everyone cough. In a post on Twitter, Sarkodie wrote, "Everyone seemed to be coughing. I hope there is nothing up." A fan quickly came replying that, "It's the cigar you've been smoking." The world of Twitter got into a laughter mode and asked, how is Sarkodie's lifestyle affecting everyone and everything? What do you think? Do you think Sarkodie's cigar is what's making every Ghanaian cough? Drop your comments below. This is all for One Play News. My name is Tilly Ekienipam.